Question number 196. 1, 5, 11, 77, 85, 775. We required wrong number. Okay. 1 to 5. It is 5 times or 5 to 11 plus 6 or minus 6 plus 6. 11 to 77. 7 times or into 5 plus 6 into 7. Next one plus 8 into 5 plus 6 into 7 plus 8. Next one into 9 or 85 into 9. 720 plus 45. 765. The wrong number. 775. Next question number 197. 2 becomes 8. 2 becomes 8 means 2 6 times how much? 12 minus 4. Next 8 becomes how much? 61. How many times? 8 7s are 56 plus 5 or minus 5 plus 5. 61. 8 times how much? 488 minus 6. Next one into 9 minus 7 or plus 7 plus 7 or 482 into 9 means end with 8 plus 7 means end with 5. Then wrong number is how much? 4352. Obviously next one we return into 10 minus 8 or plus 8 minus 8 or what is the wrong number? 4342. Next 198. 16 becomes 4 means into 1 by 4 or 4 becomes 2 means into 2 by 4 or next 2 becomes 1.5 means it is into 3 by 4 or 1 and half becomes 1 and half. It is into 4 by 4 or next one into 5 by 4 or 1 and half into 5. How much? 7.5 divided by 4. 7.5 divided by 4 means it is 1.875 or 41872 remaining 3 means it is 0.75. What is the wrong number? 1.885. Next question number 199. 35 becomes how much? 167. Almost 4 times or 35 for the 140 plus how much value? 27. Next 9 becomes 35. Almost 3 times plus 8. Next obviously previous one into 2 plus 1. Okay. What is the next one? Into 5 plus how much value? 64. Next one into 6 plus 125. Already we are checked 35 to 167. Again 167 into how many times? 5 times. It is 835 plus 64. How much? 899. Again 899 into 6. It will be 54 plus 5. End with 9. 899 into how much value? 6. It is 5400 minus 6. 5400 minus 6 means 5396. 5394. 5394 plus how much value we are adding? 125. Total it is 5519. Then what is the wrong number? 3 is the wrong number. After adding 1 it will become 9. 9 minus 1 8. 8 divided by 2 4. Means in place of 3 what is the actual value? 4. Next question number 200. Already logic is given here. 9 into half. Half plus half means 5. 5 into 1 5 plus 1 6. 6 into 1 and half 9 plus 1 and half 10.5. 10 and half into 2 21 plus 2 means 23. 23 into 2 and half plus 2 and half. 23 into 2 and half means 46 plus 11.5 or no? Again we are adding how much? 2.5. Total it is 60 or no? But here value is how much? 61. What is the wrong number? 61 or no? Question number 186. X square plus 32x plus 252 equal to 0. Okay. 252 means it is written as 256 minus 4 means 16 square minus 2 square 16 plus 2, 16 minus 2 16 plus 2 means 18, 16 minus 2 means 14, 1 will be minus 16, sorry, 1 will be minus 18, another one minus 14 okay. Second one 770 770. 770 means this one we return 7 into 11 into 10 10 means we return 2 into 5 11 to the how much? 22. 7 5 the 35. One will be minus 35. Another one minus 22 x values compared to y values greater what the answer? X is greater than y. Next 187. X square plus 54x plus 693 equal to 0. 693. 693 means it is 21 multiple. 21 how many times? 3 times. Again 3 times 21 into 33 21 plus 33 how much? 54. One is minus 21. Another one minus 33. Second one 46 and 520 520 means it is written as 26 into 20 because 52 half 26 26 how many times? 20 times. Then one will be minus 26, another one minus 20 okay. Negative 21 compared to negative 26 greater, but negative 21 compared to negative 20 lesser. Then answer no relation. Next 188. X square minus 4 root 3x plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 4 root 3x means it is written as 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 2 into 2 4 root 3 into root 3 3 then initial roots are negative but final roots are positive. Second one, what is the product value? 18. Some value root 3 then one will be written 3 root 3, another one 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3 initial roots are negative and positive. No confusion. 18 divided by 3 6 means product value 18 divided by 3 how much? 6 means that 6 is the product value or some value? Product value. One is minus 3 root 3, another one 2 root 3. 3 2 the how much? 6. Root 3 into root 3. 3 6 3 the how much? 18. Then what is the x final roots? 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. What are the y final roots? 3 root 3 comma minus 2 root 3 okay. 2 root 3 compared to 3 root 3 less than, because all the cases root 3 are commoner okay. 2 compared to 3 less than, 2 compared to minus 2 greater. Then answer no relation. 189. What is the product value? 36. 36 is divided by root value. 36 divided by 3. 12. Sorry, 36 divided by 3 we are getting 12. 12 is the product value, but already sum is how much? Minus 7. Then one will be minus 4 root 3. Another one minus 3 root 3. Okay. Next, another one 70. 70 is divided by 2. We are getting 35. 35 is the product. Sum will be 12. One will be minus 5 root 2. Another one minus 7 root 2. All are in initial roots. What are the final roots? Positive, sir. Okay. 4 root 3 compared to 5 root 2. Greater or less than? 4 compared to 5. 4 root 3 means it is 4 into 1.7 something. 4 into 1.7 means 6.8. And here 5 into root 2 means it is 1.4. 5 into 1.4, 7 and here it is 6.8 and it is 7. Without taking root values, 4 compared to 5 lesser, 4 compared to 7. What are the x roots? 4 root 3 and 3 root 3 are. Huh? Printing mistake, paper lo చూడండి. అది x square y square. Printing mistake, అది actually x square y square. Not linear equation. X square y square. Printing mistake actually it is. X square minus 7 root 3x plus 36 equal to 0. Y square minus 12 root y plus 70 equal to 0. What are the x roots we are getting? 2 root 3. Sorry. X roots we are getting 4 root 3 comma 3 root 3 are. Y roots 5 root 2 comma 7 root 2 are. Okay. 4 compared to 5 less. 4 compared to 7 less. 3 compared to 5 less. 3 compared to 7 lesser. Then answer x is less than y. Next 190. 72x square minus 126x plus 45 equal to 0. First equation is divided by 9 or 9 how many times? 8 times. 8x square. 9 how many times? 14 times. 9 how many times? 5 times. Equal to 0. 8x square minus 14x plus 5 equal to 0. What is the product value? 40. Some value minus 14. Means x roots are 10 comma 4 are. Okay. What is the coefficient of x square? 8. Means each root are divided by 8 are. 10 by 8 means it is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means 1.25. 4 by 8 means it is 0.5. Second one, y values. 45 into which one? 21. 45 into 21. 45 means we return 9 into 5. 21 means we return 7 into 3 or 5 7s are how much? 35. 9 3s are 27. 35 plus 27. 62 or okay. One will be 35. Another one 27 or and each one are divided by which one? 45 or 35 by 45. 7 by 9. 7 by 9 means 0.77 or 27 by 45. 9 3 times 9 5 times 0.60 or then 1.25 compared to these two values greater but 0.5 compared to 0.77 lesser then answer no relation or next one. Next data sufficiency. Question number 161. There is a certain number of students participating in a competition. If 3 students are selected at random, then find the probability of selecting 3 boys. Okay, we are selected 3 boys means definitely we know the individual boys and individual girls. Yes or no? Okay. For the statement 1, there are 6 more girls in the competition than boys. Girls compared to boys, how many members are more? 6 members more. But there is no clarity about the number of boys or not. Okay. Only one alone, not sufficient. For the second statement, ratio of the boys to girls 5 is to 7. 5 parts and 7 parts. There is no clarity about the individual differences, individual values or combination value. Okay. 2 alone sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. But by using both the statements, yes sir. 5 and 7, how many parts difference? 2 parts. How many members are different? 6 members. We are get the individual boys and individual girls. Obviously we are get the total members or not. Okay. We get the individual boys and individual girls means obviously we are get the total members or not. For the probability concept, favorable cases by total number of cases or not. Favorable cases means boys by total cases means boys and girls are not. Then by using both the statements we are get the answer. For the answer, third or fourth? Third. Next 162. In a square ABCD, AB equal to how much? 8 centimeters. Which statement assures the area of a square PQRS is exactly half of the area of the square ABCD? And here square ABCD, square ABCD, what is the AB value? 8. If AB value are 8, it means all the sides also 8. And which statement assures area of a square PQRS is exactly half of the area of a ABCD? What is the ABCD area? 8 square. What is the 8 square? 64. That is ABCD area. But PQRS area will be half of the which one? Square of ABCD. What is the first statement are given? PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. It is equal to 2 times of which one? AC value. Means AC nothing but that is the diagonal of a square ABCD. Diagonal means root 2 into A. Means it is 8 root 2. 8 root 2. Means PQ. All the 4 sides are adding or subtracting? Adding. Means that is perimeter or area? Perimeter. Perimeter value written 4A. That 4A equal to which one? 2 times of AC value. 2 times of AC. What is the AC value? 8 root 2. 4 how many times? 2 times. Then A equal to how much? 4 root 2. A equal to 4 root 2. That is the side of a which one? PQRS square. Okay. What is the PQRS area? A square equal to 16 into 2. How much? 32. That is the PQRS area. And PQRS area is 32. But ABCD area 64. 32 is half of the which one? 64. Means first statement we are get the value. PQRS area will be half of the which one? Area of a square. It is true or not? Means from the first statement we are get the answer or not? Then one alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. Or the second statement AC equal to PQ. AC equal to PQ means diagonals are equal or not? When diagonals are equal, areas also same or not? Means, but here condition PQRS area will be half of the which one? ABCD area. Means second one satisfy the given condition? No. Only first one or not? Then answer. Question number 163. Last year Divya and Vijaya undertook work for 10,000. Find the last year share or not? We required which one share? Last year. All the three together can finish the work in how many days? 6 days. While Divya alone takes 15 days to complete the work or not? Okay. And here 3 persons 6 days. Only Divya 15 days or not? And in second statement Lasya and Vidya are given or only Lasya? Lasya and Vidya. First statement Lasya, Vidya and Divya together in how many days? 6 days. Divya alone how many days? 15 days. Second statement Lasya plus Vidya how many days? 10 days sir. Only one alone? Not sufficient because we required which one share? Lasya sharer. Only 2 alone? Not sufficient. By using both the statements? Yes sir. Okay. What is the LCM of 6, 15, 10? 30. 30 means 6 how many times? 5 times. 15 how many times? 2 times. 10 how many times? 3 times. Only Divya efficiency is how many parts? 2 parts. Lasya plus Vidya efficiency 3 parts. But we don't know the Lasya efficiency. We required which one share? Lasya share. If we require Lasya share, definitely we know the Lasya efficiency or not. But here Lasya efficiency is in together with which one? With their node. Okay. Together efficiency 3 parts. But we get the Lasya efficiency? No. Then we are get the Lasya share? No. Then answer. Both one and together are sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. If we know the Lasya efficiency, we are get the Lasya share. But here we are not getting Lasya efficiency or not. Then answer both one and together are sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Next 164. What is the age of the Vinoda. But the first statement, the ratio of the present age of Vinaya and Vinoda is how much? 7:5. Only first one sufficient? No. Second statement, Vini age is double the age of which one? Vinaya. Means it is present ratio or future ratio? Present ratio. 7 years hence their age will be in the ratio of which one? 9:5. At present ratio 2:1. After 7 years ratio 9:5. And one will be Vinny. Another one Vineyard. From the second statement we are get the individual values of Vinny and Vineyard. Okay. But first statement which ratio are given? Vinya and Vinoda ratio. Only one alone not sufficient. Only two alone not sufficient. By using both the statements, yes or no? Because in second statement one is present ratio, another one future ratio are given. Then second statement we are get the individual values of Vinny and Vinyan. Okay. Substitute the Vinya value in first statement. We are get the which one? We know the value. By using both the statements, we know the value. Next question number 165. A class has 60 students studying mathematics, science and social. How many students study science? Total how many students are there? 60. We required how many students are study science? First statement, ratio between mathematics and science is given 2:1. Only one alone not sufficient. Second one, the ratio of the number of students studying mathematics and social 14:9. Only two alone not sufficient. By using both the statements, yes or no? Mass and science ratio in first one 2:1. Second one, mass and social. Social is how many parts? 9 parts. Mass is how many parts? 14 parts. Sir. Simplify these two ratio. We are get the 3 terms ratio or only one? 3 terms. 9 to the 18, 14 to the 28, 14 1 the 14. That is 3 subjects or only one subject? 3 subjects. Individually not possible, but together we are get the answer. Next question number arithmetic questions 176. Ratio of the ages of ABC is 7:6:6 and D age is 4 years less than the 2 times the age of A. A is how many parts? 7 parts. B is 6 parts. D is C. C is how many parts? 6 parts, sir. D age is 4 years less than the 2 times of A age. 2 times of A means 14 parts. Compared to 14 parts, 6 lesser. 6 or 4? 4. Next, sum of the B and C age is equal to which one? E value. Then E value are 12 parts. E value are 12 parts. Next, product of A age and E age is how much? 1344. A means 7 parts, E means 12 parts. 7 parts into 12 parts equal to how much? 1344. 1344. 12 how many times? 11 times or not? Again 2 times or not? 7 how many times? 16 or not? Parts into parts 16. Then one part equal to how much? 4 or not? What is the question here? Average age of D and E. And here D value written 14 parts minus 4 or not? 4 means how many parts? 1 part. 14 minus 1. 13 parts or not? Yes or no? D is how many parts? 13 parts. E is how many parts? 12 parts. Sum is how many parts? 25 parts. But we required average means 12.5 parts, sir. 12.5 parts means 12.5 into 4. What is the answer? 50 or 177. A milkman had a mixture of 320 liters which contains milk and water in the ratio of which one? 5:3. Milkman sold 96 liters of the mixture and mixed milk and water in the ratio of 5:2 in remaining mixture. If the ratio of milk to water in the final mixture is 85:48, find the water percentage in the final mixture. In final mixture, milk and water are which ratio? 85:48. But we required water percentage in final mixture. Then we are taken only final ratio. Water is how many parts? 48. Total mixture 133 multiplied by 100. We are get the percentage. Okay. What is the 10% of 133? 13.3 means what is the 30% value? 39.9. It is more than 30%. Yes sir. What is the difference between 40 and 48? Almost 8. It is more than 30% but less than 40%. Then answer 36. Next question number 178. The letters of the word Radhesri are to be arranged so that three vowels should not come together. Three vowels should not come together. Find the number of arrangements. And here we required vowels should not come together. Should not come together means written total number of ways minus always come together. Total ways minus always come together. First we need to identify the total number of ways. Total how many letters are there? 8 letters. Then we written how many ways? 8 factorial ways are. Any repeating letter? R is repeated 2 times. E is repeated 2 times or not? Then we written 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is total number of ways or not? And here vowels come together. Vowels come together means how many vowels are there? 3 vowels. Those 3 vowels we are considered one entity or not? One entity. What are the remaining letters? 5 letters are R, T, H, S, R. Okay. These 3 vowels we are considered one entity. Remaining 5 letters. Total of 6. Then how many ways we written? 6 factorial by 6 factorial, and these 3 vowels within themselves how many ways we can arrange it? 3 factorial ways or 3 factorial ways by, and any repeating letters? E is repeated twice, R repeated twice or 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. And that is the vowels come together or not come together? Vowels are come together. But we required which one? Vowels are not come together. Then total ways minus vowels come together. 6 factorial into 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. These two are subtracting. We are get the which one? Vowels are never come together. Okay. 8 factorial 50,000 40,320 or 40,320 by how much value? 4. 6 factorial means 720 into 3 factorial 6 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial 4 or 4 how many times? 720 180. 4 how many times here? 1 0 0 8 0. Okay. 10,080 minus, sorry, 1 lakh 10,080 or 10,080. 10,080 minus 1,080. What is the answer? 9,000. Which option? Fifth option. In key actually mistake are given. Answer is 9,000, not fourth option. Answer is 9,000. 10,080 minus 1,080. What is the difference? 9,000. Total ways minus always come together. We are get the never come together. Next question number 179. Varun invested P rupees in a scheme for how many years? 2 years, which offered simple interest at the rate of 22.5% per annum, and Banu invested P plus 6,000 in another scheme for same period of time on compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum. If the one got 1050 rupees more as the interest, then find the average of the amount invested by them. For the first case, simple interest or compound interest? Simple interest. 22.5% how many years? 2 years. For the simple interest. 45% of P value. Second case, compound interest 10% for 2 years. For the compound interest 21% of P plus 6,000. And first one compared to second one, how many rupees are interest are extra getting? 1050. Means these two interest difference is how many rupees? 1050. Okay. 45% of P and 21% of P. What is the difference? 24% of P and next 21% of 6,000. 12,000. Sorry, 1260. 1260 adding or subtracting? Adding. Total it is 2310. 2310. 24. 3 how many times? 8 times, sir. 3 how many times here? 7. Again 7. 0. Then P equal to how much value? 77,000 divided by 8. That is P value. What is the question here? Find the average of the amount invested by them. Average amount invested by them means first one P rupees, second one P plus 6,000. Total it is 2P plus 6,000. 2P plus 6,000 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 how many times? 3,000 times. Means we required P plus 3,000 or only P? P plus 3,000. Okay. Divide by 8 we are get the P value. Again we are adding how much? 3,000. 8 how many times? 8 nines are 72. What is the remaining? 60. 60 or 50? 50. 8 6 are how much? 48. What is the remaining? 20. 20 means 2 times. Again 5 times, sir. 9625. How much value you are adding? 3,000. Total answer 1 2 620 5. Next question number 180. Two innings are played by 4 different players, that are Rohit, Virat, Rahul, Pandya. How many players are there? 4 players. Rohit, next one, Virat, next one, Rahul, next one, Pandya. And Rohit in first innings, Rohit in second innings, sir. For the first one, Rohit scored 80 runs in the first innings. First innings Rohit value is how much? 80. Next, the score of Rohit and Virat in the first innings is in the ratio of 4:5. Means 4 parts are 80, 5 parts are 100. For the next point, the runs scored by the Rahul in the second innings is 10% less than the runs scored by Rohit in the first innings. For the Rohit in first innings, 80. 10% means, oh, Virat. Virat first innings or second innings? First innings. Means it is 100. 4:5. Rohit and Virat 4:5. 10% less means what is the 10% of 80? 8. 80 minus 8. 72. That 72 is the Rahul score in second innings or first innings? Second innings, sir. Next. The runs scored by Virat in the second innings is 12.5% less than the Rahul in the second innings. 12.5 means 1 by 8. What is the 1 by 8 of 72? 9. 72 minus 9. 63. That 63 is the Virat in second innings, sir. Okay. Next. The total runs scored in the first and second innings in the is same as that is 300. Means first innings total score is 300. Second innings also total score are 300. Next, what is the next point? Runs scored by Rahul and Pandya in the first innings are same. Means these two values are equal or different? Equal. Out of 300, 180 completed. Means first one is 60, second one also 60. 300 minus 180, remaining 120. That 120 is the equal distribution. 60 and 60. For the next one, runs scored by Pandya in the first and second innings is in the ratio of 3:4. 3 parts are 60, 4 parts are 80 అను. Out of 300, 63 plus 72, 135 plus 80, 215. What is the remaining? 85 అను. 85. What is the first question? What is the ratio of the runs scored by Rahul in the first innings to the second innings? First innings to second innings, Rahul. What is the ratio? 12 5 times, 12 6 times. Answer 5:6. Next, 181. Find out the runs scored by Virat in the first innings is how much percent more than the runs scored by Pandya in the first innings. Virat in first innings. What is the Virat in first innings? 100. Next, Pandya in first innings. Pandya in first innings 60. What is the ratio? 5:300. How many parts are more? 2 parts. 2 upon 3. 2 by 3 into 100 means 200 by 300. Which option? Third option. 2 by 3 into 100. Nothing but 200 by 3. Next 182. What is the difference between the average runs scored by Rohit and Virat together in the second innings and the average runs scored by Rahul and Pandya together in first innings? Rohit and Virat in second innings together is how much? 148. And Rahul and Pandya in first innings 120. What is the difference? 28. It is some difference. What is the average difference? Divide by 2. What is the answer? 14. Next 183. Find out the runs scored by Pandya in the second innings is how much percent of the total runs scored in second innings, sir? Pandya in second innings. Or the Pandya in second innings? 80. It is what percent of 300? Means 80 by 300 multiplied by 100. What is the percentage? 80 by 3. Which option? Fourth one. Next 184. If runs scored by Virat in the first innings is increased by 30%, then what will be the total runs scored by him in the first innings? What is the Virat in first innings? 100. 30% increase means 130. Then answer 130. Increased by 30% means adding 30%. Next 185. If Dhoni runs scored in the first innings is 37.5% more than the runs scored by Rahul in the second innings. What is the Rahul score in second innings? 72. In that 37.5% more, 37.5% means it is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 more means one will be 8 parts, another one 11 parts. What is the 8 parts value? 72. 8 parts value 72. What is the 1 part value? 9. 11 part 99er. That is the Dhoni scorer. Dhoni score. And find the ratio of the runs scored by Dhoni in the first innings to the runs scored by Pandya in the same inning. Pandya in first innings is how much? 60er. And what is the ratio between 99 and 60? 33:20. Next. 191. 191. Before the 191 question, first 193 question. Question number 193. The table gives the information about 6 different articles A, B, C, D, E, F sold by a store in a year. Some data is missing in the table. And what is the first one? Article A, the number of units are sold unknown. But article A cost price is how much? 40. Each unit cost price is how much? 40. And each unit selling price are unknown. But each unit market price are given 50. 6 different articles are 6 different articles, 6 different cost prices, 6 different selling prices, 6 different market prices are. And what is the first question? What is the 194 question? If the store allowed 10% discount on each unit of article B and the store marked each unit of article B 20% above its cost price, then find the total profit earned by the store by selling all the units of article B. First of all, article B market price cost price and selling price are. And we know the article B selling price is given how many rupees? 27. What is the discount percentage are offered? 10%. 10% discount means market price are 100%, selling price are 90%. What is the 90% value? 27. Then 100% value 30 or market price is 30. Next, what the market price is 20% above the which one? Cost price are means cost price are 100%, market price are how much? 120% or 120%. It is one fourth value or if it is one fourth means cost price also one fourth. Cost price is how much? 25. Cost price 25, selling price 27, market price is 30. What is the question here? Find the total profit earned by selling all the units of article B. For the each unit profit 2 rupees. Each unit profit 2 rupees. 25 becomes 27 means each one unit profit 2 rupees. Total how many units are sold? 48,000. 2 into 48,000. What is the total profit? 96,000. Every unit 2 rupees profit. 48,000 units 96,000. Next 193. Question number 193. If the cost price of 1 unit of article D is 37.5% of the cost price of article E and the ratio of the total units of article D to that of article E is 4:5, then find the total cost price of all the units sold of article D and E together by the storer. And here article D cost price is 37.5% of which one? Article E. 37.5 means it is 3 by 8. What is the article E cost price? 80. In that 3 by 8 means 30. Then article D cost price is how much? 30 or 40? 30. Next, the ratio of the total units sold by article D to that of article E is which one? 4:5. Means 4 parts is how much? 40,000. Then 5 parts are how much? 50,000. 50,000. D 40,000, E 50,000. What is the question here? Total cost price of all the units of D and E means first one 40,000 into which one? 30. Second one 50,000 into how many rupees? 80. Okay. 4 3s are how much? 12. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 12. 52 or not? 40 plus 12. First one is 12, second one 40. Total it is how much? 52. First two digits are 52. Which option? First option or not? Next question number 192. If the total units sold of article C are 25% more than the total units of sold of article B, what is the article B sold value? 48,000. Compared to this one 25% more or 25% more. C is 25% more than the which one? B. 25% more means C value are 60,000 or 60,000. And the total profit earned by store by selling all the units of article C is how many rupees? 1,20,000. What is the total how many units are sold? 60,000 units. 60,000 units. What is the profit value? 1,20,000. Means each unit profit is how much? 20 rupees. What is the each unit profit? 1,20,000 divided by 60,000. What is the each unit profit? 2 rupees. 2 or 20? 2 rupees. Each one unit profit is how many rupees? 2 rupees. And what is the question here? Find the discount percent allowed by the store on article C. What is the cost price value? 10. Profit already 2 rupees. Means selling price 12. Selling price are 12. We know the cost price already how many rupees? 10. Selling price will be 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 means selling price is how many rupees? 12. Next, market price is already given in table. What is the market price? 15. We require discount percentage. How many rupees are discount? 3. Upon which one? 15. 3 by 15 into 100. Means it is 20% or 30%? 20%. Which option? Second option. Next 191. If, if the store marked article for mark if the store marked article F 40% above its cost price and the ratio of the discount allowed on 1 unit of article F to the profit earned on 1 unit of article F is 7:1, then the total profit earned by the store by selling all the units of article F is how much less than the total revenue of store by selling all the units of article T. First, marked value is 40% above the which one? Cost price. Suppose cost price I return 100%, market price 140%. What is the discount and profit ratio? Discount and profits ratio is given how much? 7:1. Discount is how many parts? 7 parts. Profit is 1 part. Then 140% is the market price. In the discount is how many parts? 7 parts. Subtracting we are get the selling price or cost price? Selling price. That is equal to, what the cost price is? 100%. Profit is how many parts? 1 part. Cost price plus profit. We are get the selling price or cost price? Selling price. Left hand side market price minus discount. Right hand side cost price plus profit. Both are equal selling prices. What is the difference between 140 and 100? 40%. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 parts equal to how much? 40%. Then every 1 part are 5%. Every 1 part are 5%. Means this profit is how much percent? Profit is how many parts? 1 part. Profit is how much percent? 5%. But discount is 35%. Already we know cost price is how much? 100. Profit is how much percent here? 5%. Means selling price is 105%. What is the difference between market price and selling price? 35. 35. Here profit value that clearly mention ratio of the discount and profit earned, means that is rupees value, means CP is how many rupees? 100. Market price is how many rupees? 140. Selling price is how many rupees? 105. Next, what is the next point? Then the total profit earned by store by selling all the units of article F. What is the article F's number of units are sold? 25,000. Every unit profit is how many rupees? Every unit profit 5 rupees or 4 rupees? 5 rupees. 25,000 into 5. We are getting 125. How many zeros? 3 zeros, sir. And it is how much less than the total revenue of the store by selling all the units of article D. Article D, how many units are sold? 40,000, but we required selling price, and each one selling price is how many rupees? 36.5. 36.5 means it is written as 73 by 2 or not? 73 by 2. 2 how many times? 2 times, or 73 to the 146. How many zeros? 4 zeros, sir. Okay. We require difference between these two values, sir. 1 lakh 14 lakh 60,000 minus 1 lakh 25,000. What is the difference? 13 lakhs 13 or 11? 146,000,000. In this one we are subtracting 125,000,000. End with 3 zeros. 10 minus 5, 5. 15 minus 2. 5 minus 2, how much? 3. What is the remaining? 14 minus 1, 13. 1335. 36.5 means it is how much? We required selling price of all the articles D. 40,000 into which one? 73 by 2. For the each one profit 5 rupees. How many articles here? F 25,000. into 73, 146, 0000. I think first option we are getting 13 something, 13 lakhs 85,000. Calculation ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. 13 lakhs 85,000 చేంజ్ వస్తుంది. Next question number 190, 191 complete. Next 194 already completed. 195. If the total revenue of the store from sales of article F is 75% more than the total revenue of store from sales of article A and total earned by store by selling all the units of article A is how much? 1 lakh. Then find the units of sold of article A by the store, or what percent of units sold of article D by the same store or different one? Same. First of all, total revenue from the article F is 75% more than the which one? Total revenue store from the sales of which one? Article A. And total profit earned by the store by selling all the units of article A is how much? 1 lakh or not? First of all, total revenue of F. F revenue means how much? 25,000 into which one? 63 or not? 25,000 into 63. That is 75% more than the which one? A value or not? Means it is 175% value or not? Divide by 175, we are get the 1% or not? Multiplied by 100, we are get the which one revenue? A revenue or not? A revenue or B revenue? A revenue. Revenue means it is selling price or cost price? Selling price or not? In that, profit is given how much? 1 lakh or not? Out of this one we are subtracting 1 lakh, we are get the cost price or selling price? Cost price. A revenue 100%, F revenue 175%. What is the 175% value? 25,000 into 63. Divide by 175, we are get the 1%. Multiplied by 100, we are get the revenue of A or not? In this one we are subtracting how much value? 1 lakh or not? Out of this one we are subtracting 1 lakh, we are get the cost price or selling price? Cost price. Cost price of all the units or only one unit? All the units. First 25 1 time, 25 7 times. 7 how many times? 9 times or 9 into 3 zeros, again 2 zeros or not? Total it is 9 lakhs or not? In this one profit is how much? 1 lakh or not? Subtracting we are get the cost price is how much? 8 lakhs or not? 8 lakhs. That 8 lakhs is the cost price of all the units or not? But every unit cost price is how many rupees? 40 or 50? 40. Divide by 40, we are get the number of units or not? 8 lakhs divide by 40, we are get the number of units or not? 0 cancel. 4 how many times? 2 times. Nothing but it is 20,000 units or not? A how many units are sold? 20,000 units. What is the question here? A units compared to which one? D units or not? What is the D units? 40,000. What is the A units? 20,000. Exactly half or not? 20,000 upon which one? 40,000. Means 1 by 2 or 1? 1 by 2. What is the answer? 50% or not? Okay. Remaining question chestara.